Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset NordicTrack Treadmill. If you want to reset your treadmill, then you will need to follow some steps. Here you will see I am at the official website of Reddit where the people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. Here you will see one people says that I found it. I was looking at the wrong manual. I guess the reset button on mine is a small hole on the outer edge of the console near the upper left corner. You press it with a paper clip. Maybe yours has something similar. So simply find the reset button on your treadmill and press the reset button about 5 to 10 seconds. Press the reset button with a paper clip. Then your treadmill will be resetted after that. Here you will see the another people says that there should be a pinhole on the top edge of the console right above the C in Nordic track. Here you will find the reset button on your treadmill. A pinhole on the top edge of the console right above the C in Nordic track. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.